Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 16 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on the screen. Once that's the case for you, meaning the content that you wish to capture is visible, all you need to do is hold, or more precisely press, both buttons, power and volume up at the same time. You get this flash along with the pop-up right here, and this will disappear after a brief moment. There we go. Once it does so, you can find the actual screenshot in your Photos application. I am going to quickly close this though. There we go. So you'd be normally located in your library with photos, and screenshots and screen recordings also will appear here. What you can see, I have a screen recording and a screenshot, and that's actually all I have right here. But by swiping down, I also have things like collections, and one of those collections should be, there we go, screenshots. In this collection, I will find only screenshots, which means that all the screenshots that I've captured over the time are neatly organized in a single, easy to access location. And here is, you see the screenshot that I have captured just a moment ago. So there we go. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.